the matter, Rocky? You never seen running water? You trying to bite it? Huh? What are you trying to do? Huh? See, we got to do this in Florida because it never gets this damn cold over here, and you know, it's a well hell below freezing. You know what happens? The well water freezes up. If you don't do this, man, it cracks the pipes. You know, there you go. Rocky never sees that happen, so that's because it don't get this cold over here. Gets down to the 30s, but it don't get down in the 20s. It's extremely rare. Record breaker, man.